video I'm going to show you the Pool Blaster Max Li by WaterTech. And the Pool Blaster Max Li is a powerful battery operated cleaner. It has a motor inside here and all the debris is trapped inside the debris bag as you're vacuuming with the cleaner. And in the box is the manual and warranty card. Also in the box is the charger and also the adapter for a European plug. You'll find a nose cone in here and the vacuum head. And then you have the Pool Blaster Max Li, the multi-layered debris bag. Assembly of the Pool Blaster Max Li is very simple. Make sure the debris bag is inside. We'll take the nose cone, you'll slide it over here. You'll see some notches here. Set it on here like this and just pull this handle back. You'll lock it in place. You'll take the vacuum head, slide it over the nose cone. You're going to hear it snap in. And that's the assembly of the Pool Blaster Max Li. And one of the nice upgrades of the Pool Blaster Max Li is that the charging port is now all water sealed. Comes with a special charger that you just simply plug in. There's no need to put any kind of silicone or open it up to expose any kind of charging area. Another upgrade with the Pool Blaster Max Li is the Li stands for lithium-ion batteries. So they replace the standard batteries with lithium-ion. These batteries will last a lot longer. So it takes about 4 hours for the cleaner to charge. Just connect the charging port. And you'll see the light will turn red. Once it turns green, you can go down and plug it. And the vacuum head has these wheels and brushes on it, so it's safe for all pool surface types. You can see it also has a good sized debris opening. I also suggest investing in a sand silt bag. This bag is great for sand, dirt, and algae dust. And the Pool Blaster Max Li snaps onto your standard toilet pole very easily. And it's very simple to turn the Pool Blaster Max Li on and off. Just simply hit this button right here. And I'll show you the debris that I picked up here. See, it does a great job with leaves and dirt. And you would just simply turn it inside out and then hose it off. That's a quick look at the Pool Blaster Max Li. It would be a great choice for a portable vacuum for your pool or spa.